Hey, I'm Ramona, and I'm about to show you something shocking, so take a deep breath and watch the following video.
For extra volume, hold the brush closer to the root of the hair. Many YouTube superstars recommend this particular Revlon hairdryer. One-step styling and beautiful results. The Revlon one-step hairdryer is a must-have for anyone desiring hair volume. Looking for salon-worthy blowouts? The unique oval design helps improve hair volume.
So, what are you waiting for? Take action now and enjoy your friends' compliments.